Imagine opening your laptop with nothing but an idea. No coding experience. No game development skills. No expensive software. Just one sentence. Now imagine that sentence turning into an actual game in minutes. Not a concept. Not a prototype. A real game you can play. Sounds impossible? Just a few years ago, it was. Today, it's called Claude Sonnet 5. And what this AI can do might completely change how software is built forever. For decades, creating software meant learning programming languages. People spent years mastering Java, Python, C++, or JavaScript. If you wanted to build a mobile app, you needed developers, designers, artists, testers. Weeks, sometimes months of work. But something has changed. Claude Sonnet 5 doesn't just answer questions. It understands projects. It understands architecture. It understands code bases. And perhaps most importantly, it understands what you are trying to create. Recently, people began giving Claude impossible challenges. Build me a website. It did. Create a mobile app. Done. Write an entire business management system. No problem. Then people pushed even further. Make me a complete video game. Surprisingly, it actually worked. Imagine typing. Create a survival game where every decision changes the ending. Minutes later, menus, inventory, crafting, dialogue, save system, character stats, working code, ready to open inside Godot. That's no longer science fiction. It's happening today. Of course, it's not magic. Claude isn't replacing developers overnight. Large projects still require testing, fixes, iteration, human creativity. But what's changing is speed. Tasks that once took weeks now take hours, sometimes minutes. This changes who can build software. Students, teachers, small creators, solo developers. People with ideas but no technical background. For the first time, the barrier isn't coding. It's imagination. Think about that for a moment. A teenager with a laptop can now build an app. A teacher can create educational software. A writer can create an interactive story. A YouTuber can build their own mobile game without hiring an entire studio. But perhaps the biggest change isn't technology. It's opportunity. Millions of people have incredible ideas. Most never become reality because building them was too expensive, too difficult, too technical. AI is changing that. We are entering a world where asking the right question may become more valuable than writing the perfect code. Prompt engineering, AI collaboration, creative direction. These may become some of the most valuable skills of the next decade. Of course, there are concerns. Will programmers disappear? Probably not. Instead, their role will evolve. Developers will spend less time writing repetitive code and more time solving complex problems, reviewing AI output, designing better systems, making software safer. This is exactly what happened before. Calculators didn't eliminate mathematicians. Cameras didn't eliminate artists. The internet didn't eliminate writers. It transformed them. AI is likely to do the same. Claude Sonnet 5 is just one example. But it shows something much bigger. We are witnessing the beginning of a new era, where ideas become products, faster than ever before. So here's the real question. If anyone can build software, what will you create? Because the future may not belong to the best programmers anymore. It may belong to the people with the best ideas. And that future has already begun. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more AI breakthroughs changing the future. Because we are only getting started.